Yo, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Free Badger Easy. Psych. Stop right there. I changed my name to Free Easy 6, but I'm gonna call myself Free Easy for short. Yeah, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing the Star Pass units, tier 100 of the old ASTD since they're back. I'm gonna doing dang. I'm gonna be doing Buddha Chairman and King Awaken. Yeah. For these two and see how far they can get me. I'm gonna be using also Mysterious X, Final, Gojo technically, Idol, Speedwagon, and Octo the Greedy. I'm gonna be using these units and seeing how far I can get in the infinite. So let's get right into it, y'all. Oh yeah, before we even start, let's see what's in the banner, you know. See, nothing good, nothing good. Wait, nope, nothing good. We could have been, but yeah. Well, let's see. Let's go here, and then go here, and start the mission, I assume. Okay. Alright. So first we're gonna start working on money, obviously. 3 times speed for a little while, you know. We can speed blitz through all these little waves. We'll probably have Gojo solo on that. We're gonna put King and Buddha Chairman like right here in this corner. We're gonna have ultimate time stop going. I just gotta see how far they can reach. And all that. Pretty much simple, man. Mental math. Feel me? Alright. Bingo. Alright, but that song is stuck in my head, chat. Yeah, all we're gonna be doing is this. We're gonna be playing the game, you feel me? Upgrading our money units. Have Gojo solo for a bit. Oh wait, we can't have Gojo solo for a bit. Too expensive for right now. We're gonna have hybrid air, not necessarily air comp, pretty good. Auto buff, 7,000 damage. I'm up and down. Alright, we good. Yeah, he'll take care of those. 31,000. We good. I should have placed what's her name in it by now, but it's fine. That's what I'm about to do right now, actually. Place both of them. How y'all feel about the A is coming out? Oh yeah, before I even start, chat, about the real video, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe if you love my content, man. And yeah, I'm gonna start posting on him more regularly, since I figured out how to record and all that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, mess with me, man. I'm the GOAT. Alright, but for real, how y'all feel about them 100% eggs? Gonna be able to open up all the eggs actually. Gonna be able to open up all the eggs. How y'all feel about those? I wonder what's gonna be in the 100% egg. I think it's gonna be, me personally, we haven't seen no Sung Jin Woo in the entire game. And that's really a popular anime. And not to be in this game, come on. We gotta get him. Give us Sung Jin Woo. Make him a summoning unit, best summoning unit in the game. Because this whole thing is about summoning, technically. This whole thing is technically about summoning. So, yeah, we can get some more summonings and all that. We're good. So, like, hold on. That was my fault. How I just messed up. I just went AFK for a second and looked at my phone. That was my bad. Alright, we're good now. We're making the most amount of money we can. Let's try to get them like semi-maxed out, not really maxed out. Alright, but they're doing 41 mil right now. Gojo, I gotta find a place where I want to place them. Like, that's good. And then I 500 Acme next week. Like, look. He almost covers the entire. Like, I need to find a place where I can put him. Like, is it better, like, right here? Because even though he doesn't hit right here at the beginning, he does hit. So I'll say right here. Buddha gives buff, and then you get taken off. You get placed on back here because there's gonna be a time stop. But we good, man. I know I'm gonna have plenty of money left over trying to upgrade them. We got his time stop, his ultimate time stop and all that. So it'll be good. But we're goated, we're goated. But yeah. I don't know what else to say, to be honest. I'm gonna skip to when the enemy start giving us a real challenge for real. So see y'all later. Yo, we're back. Technically, they're kind of getting past. They have like around 2 million HP, but we're still obliterating them completely. So I think we'll make it past wave 100. I don't know for sure, but do y'all think that this is the most OP'est Star Pass we ever got? Or is Boo Battle Pass still the best one? I'm working on getting his ultimate time stop so that if we ever need it, we can pause him right here for like a minute. That's what we're going to get the next upgrade. He's working on getting his final upgrade. Then we're good. I'll probably get 2. Wait, hold on. I do gotta look this up. I don't know for sure if his ultimate time stop is global. I'm trying to look it up right now. Hold on, chat. That's why I just went quiet. The final domain, ultimate time stop. See the goat. Okay, they're starting to get past a little bit. That's when we're gonna start the auto skip once they able to actually get past. I actually wanted to stop them from attacking. I wanted to do the time stop first, but looks like it's not gonna work that way. It's not gonna work my way. It's not gonna work my way because it's kind of tough to do it when they get killed 24/7. That's why I got auto skip on in the first place. Just auto killing them, but it's fine. Like right now, that can probably work. Unless I had them focused on last. Oh damn, he full OV. He's lad, dang. He's full OV, he's gonna kill him anyway. Can't tell. I need to still figure out Gojo's ability. Alright, he's ready. Alright. 1 billion damage, we're good. I need them to start living like far. This is okay. Let me look up. Okay, this is ultimate. Final. Okay, his final is 8 minutes. So it does come back. It's a global cooldown, though. Okay. Okay. I know it's a global cooldown. Trying to see what way we're gonna make it to, how we're gonna make it past this. They're kind of cooking, like they're too good for no reason. I can't even do my time stop really. Is it every 5 seconds right on? I'm trying to wait until they get back here, so that because I know they're not gonna make it fast. I could have probably activated time stop, like right now. I think the infinite time stop works. I think. I'm hoping it does. Because what the fuck? Time to slow it down a little bit. Auto skip wave off. Could have slowed a little to wave 100. Slow it down. But what's the name doing 1 billion damage every 7 seconds? I think 8 seconds. So he's doing a lot, and he's doing a lot. So right now they're goated, which is good. So they wiping out a lot of enemies just off that. Oh, I should have saved that money. I should have saved that. I should have realized I saved that. Because that once I sell him, he's gonna give me half of his money back. So that's gonna be like, how much? 10 million? I need 10 million back ASAP. So hopefully, I should have saved that money though. That was a bad play. So I could have placed him back again, and we could have clutched up a little farther. Hopefully I can get 10 million back though. If not, I am gonna race. If I get at least 5 million, I'm gonna race him. Have 10 million. And auto time stuff it. Then they getting hit by his full AoE, so they'll be fine. Or be fine. See that 1 billion hit every 8 seconds is gold. You gonna hit him too. Time stop. I don't think we need it yet, not yet. Hit him too. Hit them. Hit them all, they all dead. Side zone. $7 billion. Nuke. We good. We still got his nuke, but you're gonna use some. Not yet. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, auto skip. Keep auto skipping. Get them waves up. Yeah. Hopefully this works. Oh wait, I need the rest for the rest of his upgrades. Skip. I need the rest for the rest of his upgrades. Alright, so he got us the wave 102, I mean 103, 104. No, what was that, 105? Yeah, he got us the wave 105. Yeah, that was pretty much it, man. Thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed the video. And turn the notification bell on. And yeah, peace.